I'm about to receive a nucleus of bees, and I want to use them to start off my Warre hive. But the problem is that the nucleus of bees will come on these national sized frames which do not fit. I bought a self-assembly plywood brood box from Fragile Earth for £12 at 2012 UK prices, and cut it in half. Basically this side along here I cut in half, so the brood box should be this wide, and I made it half the size so that it will take, in theory, 5 frames of the nuke. Some nukes come 6 frames. This has got a space for the 6th frame, or space for a feeder. But this obviously comes with no bottom, and so my plan was, with the other half of the brood box, which I built just using 2 additional bits of pine here, I've nailed 4 pieces of wood onto it. You can see it better underneath. I put 2 thick pieces because they'll be part of the roof of the hive, and these 2 pieces here, which are the same length as the external dimensions of the Warre, and it fits directly over the top, like this. So now the theory is that when the bees arrive, I can place the frames in here, and the bees would, in the Warre tradition and tradition of bees, naturally work their way downwards and start to populate the Warre hive. So on top of the frames would go this sized piece of hessian for the bees to propagate, and then on top of that I've made a quilt box with a hessian base and some sheep's wool, Jacobs, which goes on the top like that. And then here is a kind of Warre roof. It incorporates a ventilation slot at the top, and hopefully I'll go the right way around. Fits on the top like that.